What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about Security Bank Credit Card Cash Advance. So paano nga ba mag-cash advance sa credit card ninyo sa Security Bank? At the same time, pag-uusapan natin yung cash advance PIN. Paano nga ba mag-request ng cash advance PIN kung hindi ito dumating sa inyo? Paano nga ba tumawag sa Security Bank to request for a cash advance PIN? Kasi hindi kayo makakapag-cash advance sa Security Bank credit card ninyo kapag wala kayong cash advance PIN. Tapos pag-uusapan natin yung fees and charges at saka kung magkano yung pwede nyong i-cash advance sa Security Bank credit card ninyo. And of course, yung fees and charges kung magkano yung per transaction. And at the same time, yung interest rates ng cash advance sa Security Bank credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa itong channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, Security Bank credit card holders can get a cash advance by obtaining a cash advance PIN o yung sinasabi ko, mamaya malalaman niyo kung paano magkaroon nito. Delivered in 5 to 14 banking days and withdrawing from any security bank or BankNet ATM up to 30,000 pesos a day. So ito yung sinasabing cash advance PIN. So the moment you activate or the moment you receive your credit card, 5 to 14 banking days, kailangan dumating yung cash advance PIN na yon. Ngayon kung hindi, kailangan yung tumawag sa Security Bank hotline number. Mamaya, share ko sa inyo yung contact number nila. Tapos, kapag na-receive nyo na yon, okay na yung Security Bank cash advance PIN ninyo sa credit card, kailangan nyo naman pumunta sa any Security Bank ATM. Pag sinabing ATM, yung automated teller machine. Tapos, or any BankNet. Siguro aware naman kayo sa sinasabing BankNet, guys. Sa likod ng cards ninyo, may nakalagay dyan, di ba, Megalink, BankNet. So, any ATM na may BankNet logo, pwede kayo dun mag-cash advance using your Security Bank credit card basta may cash advance PIN kayo. Yun nga lang guys, kapag hindi siya Security Bank, may additional fee yun, which is minimal lang naman. Kaya naman kung ayaw nyo ng minimal fee, much better na mag-cash advance na lang kayo sa Security Bank ATM mismo. Alternatively, users can apply for Ready Cash via the Security Bank application for direct bank transfer or visit a branch for over-the-counter withdrawals. So itong Ready Cash naman, iba naman ito sa cash advance. Kasi ito siya kailangan nyo mag-antay ng certain period of time, while cash advance is ma-access nyo siya agad using your cash advance PIN. Yun, mamaya pag-uusapan pa natin yun. The minimum amount that can be availed is 500 pesos, while the maximum amount can be availed depends on the cash advance limit and available credit limit in your account. You may refer to your Security Bank online for your updated cash advance limit. Your cash advance limit is updated on your next cut-off date after payment has been posted. So yung, kung magtatanong kayo guys, kung magkano yung pwedeng ma-cash advance, ang sagot is, depende siya sa credit limit ng credit card ninyo sa Security Bank. Kasi guys, kadalasan is up to 30%. Ngayon, halimbawa, yung credit limit ng credit card ninyo sa Security Bank is 100,000. Since 30%, so 30,000 lang yung pwedeng ma-cash advance doon. Kung 50,000 lang yung credit limit, so of course, 15,000 lang. Since 30% yung pwedeng i-cash advance. Depende rin siya, so kailangan nyo pa rin i-check yung Security Bank application ninyo or Security Bank online. So ngayon, cash advance fee. Magkano nga ba yung cash advance fee ng Security Bank credit card? So, para sa cash advance fee is 200 pesos for peso accounts. Then, for US dollar naman, per transaction. So, kailangan nyo malaman guys na per transaction ito. So, make sure lang na kapag nag-cash advance kayo, make sure na check ninyo yung pangangailangan ninyo para hindi pa ulit-ulit yung transaction ninyo. Para hindi pa ulit-ulit yung bayad, of course. Then, yung applicable din siya sa over-the-counter. Processing fee of 500 pesos per transaction. So, ito naman, kailangan nyo malaman, kailangan nyo maging aware na kapag mag-over-the-counter kayo, when we say over-the-counter is doon kayo mismo sa branch ni Security Bank mag-cash advance. Of course, kailangan yung dalhin yung Security Bank credit cards ninyo at saka yung valid ID to prove na sa'yo talaga yung credit card na yun. Hahanapan kayo ng identification documents doon. Then, 500 pesos yung magiging processing fee niya compared sa kung ATM lang kayo mag-cash advance sa machine, 200 pesos lang. Kaya naman kailangan nyo pag-isipan, kailangan matuto kayo kung paano mag-cash advance using Security Bank ATM or Automated Teller Machine. So ngayon, paano nga ba magkaroon ng cash advance PIN sa Security Bank credit card ninyo? Andito na siya. So, kusa siyang dumarating guys actually after nyo ma-activate yung Security Bank credit card ninyo. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo na-activate, hindi yun darating of course. Ngayon, kung na-activate nyo na, dumipas na yung 14 days, wala pang dumarating na cash advance PIN, kailangan yung tumawag sa customer service. So, nandito yung customer service hotline numbers nila. 24-hour customer service hotline. Perform automated functions or speak with a customer service specialist for bank, credit cards, and loans-related inquiries, requests, and other concerns. So, para sa mga taga Metro Manila, 0288879188. Yan yung sa Metro Manila. Then, para naman sa provinces, is 0288879188. Then, kung ikaw ay nasa abroad, 632-8888-79188. Based ito sa official website ni Security Bank. Then ngayon, let's talk about the interest rates kapag nag-cash advance kayo sa Security Bank. So, magkano nga ba yung interest rates? So, pag sinabing interest rates, guys, ito yung ipapatong every statement of account or payment cycle or billing cycle. Security Bank credit card cash advance interest rate is typically 3% per month. So, 3% siya per month. Applied to the average daily balance with a separate cash advance fee of around 200 pesos or $3 to $4 per transaction. Plus, potential OTC processing fees when we say OTC over the counter. And interest starts accruing immediately on cash advances while standard purchases might have. So, kailangan nyo malaman guys na the moment yung mag-transact ng cash advance sa Security Bank credit card ninyo, automatic yung 3% pagkalipas ng ilang buwan. Ngayon, hindi nyo pa nabayaran ng buo yung cash advance ninyo, another 3% na naman. Take note lang guys na buo yung 3%. Like for example, 10,000. So, magpapatong doon sa next billing cycle nyo yung 3%. Ngayon, hindi nyo pa nabayaran, nagbayad lang kayo ng 5,000, 3% pa rin ng 10,000 yung ipapatong on the next billing cycle. Hanggang sa matapos ninyong bayaran yung kinash advance ninyong 10,000 pesos. Kaya naman, kailangan nyo malaman na hanggang maaari, huwag muna kayo mag-cash advance. Maliban na lang kung wala na talaga kayong choice. Tapos ngayon, kung wala kayong choice, then pag nagkapera kayo, bayaran nyo na agad. Kasi sayang yung interest, guys. At the same time, as you can see, uulitin ko lang na yung per transaction niya sa peso accounts is 200 pesos yung per transaction fee. So, bawat transaction, 200 pesos. Or, sa US dollar account naman is $3 to $4 per transaction. Then, kung mag-over-the-counter kayo, 500 pesos yun. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!